Hi friends, let's see practice at 4.2 question number 1. Before starting question number 1, you have to know about GST payable. The formula of GST payable is equals to output tax minus input tax. What is output tax? Tax collected at the time of selling, that tax was called output tax, and the tax collected at the time of purchase, that is input tax. Let's start question number 1. Chetna store paid total GST of 1,500,000 rupees at the time of purchase and collected GST 1,22,500 at the time of sale during 1st July 2017 to 31st July 2017. Find the GST payable by Chetna stores. So first of all, let's write here what is the input tax and output tax. First of all, input tax at the time of purchase. So 1,500,000, it is the input tax. And what is output tax? The tax collected at the time of selling. 1,22,500 rupees. Find the GST payable by Chetna stores. So as we have know that the formula of GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax. So put the values. Output tax is 1,22,500 minus 1,500,000. This is the input tax. So let's subtract it. When we subtract 1,22,500 from 1,500,000, answer will be 22,000 rupees. So this will be GST payable for the Chetna stores. Let's move on next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. Nazama is a proprietor of a firm registered under GST. She has paid GST of rupees 12,500 on purchase and collected 14,750 rupees on sale. What is the amount of ITC? What is the amount of ITC? What is the amount of ITC to be claimed? What is the amount of GST payable? ITC, it is the input tax credit. First of all, write given in the questions. So first, input tax credit ITC is equal to ITC input tax credit ITC is equals to 12,500. This is the tax collected at the time of the purchase. Let's see output tax. Output tax is equal to 14,750 rupees. So what is the ITC? ITC. We have find the ITC. It is the 12,500 rupees. For the GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax is equals to 14,750 rupees minus 12,500 rupees. So answer will be 2,250 rupees, means 2,250 rupees. It will be the answer. ITC is equal to 12,500 and GST payable is equal to 2,250 rupees. Let's see next question. Question number 3. Amir Enterprises purchased chocolate sauce bottles and paid GST of 3,800 rupees. He sold those bottles to Akbari Bros and collected GST of 4,100. Mayung Food Corner purchased these bottles from Akbari Bros and paid GST of 4,500. Find the amount of GST payable at every stage of trading and hence find payable CGST and SGST. Let's see first condition or first stage. Amir Enterprises purchased chocolate boxes, means chocolate sauce bottles at that and paid GST of 3,800 rupees. So that for the Amir Enterprises, Amir Enterprise. Input tax is 3,800 rupees. What is the output tax? Output tax is 4,100 rupees. So for this stage, input tax and output tax is here. So for the GST payable, GST payable is equals to output tax minus input tax is equal to output tax minus input tax is equal to 4,100 minus 3,800 is equal to 300 rupees will be the GST payable for the Amir Enterprises. Let's see next condition. Mayung Food Corner purchased these bottles from Akbari Bros and paid GST of 4,500 rupees. So for we have found the GST payable for the Amir Enterprises. So CGST and SGST will be the half of the GST payable. So 300 rupees upon 2, it will be the CGST and SGST. 150 rupees will be the CGST equal to SGST equal to 150 rupees. For Akbari Bros, we have find 4,000 rupees as a GST payable. So Mayung Food for the Mayung Food Corner, the purchase price will be 4,000. Sorry, Mayung Food Corner purchased this bottle from Akbari Bros and paid GST of 4,500. That means the Akbari Bros purchased the bottles from Amir Enterprises at the price of 4,100. It will be the input tax, and sold to Mayung Food Corner at the rate of 4,500 rupees. So that will be the output tax. So input tax, it will be the 4,100 rupees. Output tax is equal to 4,500 rupees. So GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax. Here we can write for the Akbari Bros. So output tax is 4,500 minus input tax is 4,100. So the 400 rupees will be the GST payable. Let's see question number 4. Malik Gas Agency, Chandigarh Union Territory.
Amount of CGST and GST. Amount of CGST and GST, it will be the 400 upon 2. It is equals to 200 rupees. It will be the amount of CGST and GST.
purchased some gas cylinders for the industrial use of for 24,500 and sold them to the local customers for 26,500 rupees. Find the GST to be paid at the rate of 5% and hence the CGST and the UTGST to be paid for these transactions. First, write input tax. Input tax is equal to 24,500 rupees. Output tax is equal to 26,500 rupees. Let's find GST payable at the rate of 5%. So GST is equal to input tax into 5% upon 100. Input tax is 24,500 rupees into 5 upon 100 is equal to, this is the GST at the rate of for the input tax at the rate of 5%. Let's find out GST is equal to on output tax is equal to output tax into 5 upon 100 is equal to 26,500 into 5 upon 100 is equal to 5 5 is 25, 2 5 is 30, 3 is 10, 30. This will be the answer for the GST at the rate of 5%, at the rate of 5% for the output tax. Let's find out GST paid at the rate of 5%. Let's find out GST payable is equal to output minus input is equal to 1325 rupees minus 1225 rupees. So it will be 100 rupees. It will be the GST payable, and we have to also find the CGST and UTGST. So CGST is equals to UTGST equals to half of the GST upon 2 is equal to 100 upon 2. Answer will be 50 rupees. So GST is 100 rupees payable, GST payable. CGST is 50 rupees and UTGST is also 50 rupees. So let's move on next question. Question number 5. Beauty products paid 18% GST on cosmetics worth 6,000 and sold to a customer for 10,000 rupees. What are the amounts of CGST and HGST shown in the tax invoice issue? Here, beauty products paid 18% GST on cosmetics. So first of all, let's write here in question number 5. Beauty products paid 18% GST on cosmetics worth 6,000 and sold to a customer for 10,000 rupees. What are the amounts of CGST and HGST shown in the tax invoice issue? So first of all, let's write here the input tax. It is the 6,000. Output tax is 10,000 rupees. So find the GST on output tax is equal to 10,000 into 18 upon 100. 1800. It will be the GST. So as we know, CGST and HGST is equals to the half of the GST. So 1800 upon 2, the answer will be 900. GST is equals to HGST will be CGST and HGST, it will be the 900 rupees. Let's see question number 6. Prepare a business to consumer B2C tax invoice using given information. Write the name of the supplier, address, state, date, invoice number, GSTIN, etc. as per your choice. Supplier name Here in this question, the two products has been given to us and we have to make invoice chart on that products. So first product is given rate of mobile battery, and second product is given rate of headphone. Rate of mobile battery is 200 rupees, rate of headphone is 750 rupees, rate of GST on mobile battery is 12% and headphone is 18%. Now HSN code is given 8507 for the mobile battery, 8518 for the headphone. You can write what you want to write. You can write anything. You can write any one number for the HSN code. If it is given, you have to write that same. One piece, it is the quantity. So let's see which things we have to mention in the invoice chart. I will solve one product. You have to solve other and make a invoice chart. Invoice chart is given on the page number 82 of your textbook. You have to write in a serial number, then HSN code, then name of product, rate, quantity, taxable amount, after taxable amount CGST, HGST, and then total. First of all, let's write this serial number 1. HSN code is 8507 8518 for the second. First product is mobile battery headphone. Rate for the mobile battery and headphones are 200 rupees and 750 rupees. Quantity, both are one pieces. Taxable amount will be 200 and 750 rupees for the headphone. Next, let's find CGST and HGST. CGST, rate and amount or tax. HGST, rate or tax, or you can write amount. Let's find here the taxable amount for the mobile battery is 200. So rate of CGST is given. Rate of GST is given 12% and 18%. As we know, the CGST and HGST will be 9%. So rate of CGST is 9%. 12% is the CGST. So the rate of GST will be 6% and 9%. Same for the HGST. Let's find out amount. 6% of 200 is 12 rupees. It will be the CGST for mobile battery. For the headphones, 7,500 rupees into 9 upon 100. Cancel. 5 to the 10. 5 on the 5. 5 5 are 20. 5. So answer will be 67. Total will be 12 plus 67.5 will be 79.5. Same as well as CGST. So total of these two will be 4 plus 5 9 10 11. This will be the total.